Welcome to my channel, Gosia at Home Cooking. Today's episode will be about the beef. I will show you great recipe for Polish beef roulade called Zrazy zawijane, wołowe, and I hope you enjoy. For this recipe I need a beef eye round roast, Polish sausage, 6 pickles, onion, green parsley, black pepper, bay leaves, garlic, salt, mustard, toothpicks. I need lots of toothpicks for this dish. I will slice about 1/4 of inch, these thick slices. First part I have to pound the beef to make thinner. I will pound in both sides. The beef is thin, almost double size. Next part, cucumbers, and Polish sausage. I will cut the sausage in same size. Usually I measure how big is a Roluade, and this is the perfect size. Size. Today I have 10 rolladas, beef rolladas, so I need just 10 pieces of sausage, 10 pieces of pickles and onion. The rest of them I can put in a sauce. First part, to make rolladas, mustard, kielbasa, 1 pickle, and a little bit onion, and just roll. And I use 2 toothpicks, both sides. And it's ready. Oil. I just finished roll my beef roulade. The skillet is hot. I'll put my roulade. When one side will be nice and gold, I can flip. Nice and gold color. Now I can flip to another side. Roulade is flipped. Now I have to wait when the bottom of the roulade will be nice and gold, and I'll pour the hot water. Now I will add onion. Two bay leaves, next part I'll pour boiling water, that's enough, and cover and cook on medium high. 1 teaspoon of garlic, black pepper, beef roulades are done after 1 hour. Now I'll add green parsley. Just get a nice color, nice and green. Sauce is nice and thick, very nice. little bit salt. Not much. Because I didn't put any salt. Just a little bit. Mustard and cucumbers. And sausage give the great flavor. And this is my proposition for dinner. Polish beef roulade and Polish potato dumplings, kopytka, episode 67, and Polish healthy coleslaw, sałatka z kapusty, episode 30, and red cabbage salad. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with all your friends and family. And see you soon. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.